Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. We are from group 11, which is Saidu. Our team member consists of 5 students, which are Muhammad Faris bin Muhammad Fayaz, Muhammad Syarmi bin Osman, Muhammad Syairan bin Abdullah, Muhammad Fidaus bin Ismail, and Nur Asyah Naziah binti Nazri. Today, we want to demonstrate about our assignment.
Okay, I will explain about the coding. First, for our data, the given data is converted into our data set. We have a reduced sum of column, and we use for gender and fashion categories, ethnic, and payment and treatment. Alright, we use data from 2019, which is January 2019 to June 2019. Okay, let's get to coding. Okay, first we use Python for our assignment. Alright, first we import the library pandas and sklearn into the library. Okay, first we load the dataset. We using the read CSV, and then we fill the blank space in the Excel with 0. And next we use the class for this assignment. We use as pregnant woman, old guy, and OKU to our output, which means okay. Next, we drop the data set, which is for the fashion categories. Next, we assume the variable with gender, ethnic, payment and treatment, and also label. For SVM, first we use two, is SVM and KMIS. First for SVM. So for SVM, for PCA, we use one component for PCA, and next we use the PCA for gender, ethnic, and payment for the PCA. And next we use the new dataset by using the concat command, which is a new gender, new ethnic, new payment, treatment, label. Next we use the add symmetry, which is a new dataset, and drop the class. And next y, this class. This our we print the total 0 in class. With the 0, 1 is referred to our output, which is pregnant woman, old guy, and OKU. 0 is other than that. Okay, from that we use train and test dataset. Okay, for train and test we use 80% for train and 20% for test. Okay, for the model we use a K4. We use the cross validation score, and we get the train accuracy and also conversion metric for the testing process. Next, we use the KMIS for data. First, we import the plot to plot the graph. So for KMIS clustering, we use a DF segmentation for data set, and then so we use a PCA and other PCA. With a PCA we use component with 10 PCA, and we standardize the data set, which is color standard color. And next we use the spline. We define the we use the spline variance ratio. And next we plot the spline variance ratio. Okay, for the next we use the K-means for the model. So we use the PCA transform separation. So we use K-means for the cluster, K-means clustering. And next we plot the K-means with PCA clustering. After that, we plot the PCA, which is for every segment, which is a 4th segment. We plot as cluster by PCA component. Okay, let's run this coding. Okay, first in our data we get 0 in class. Is 0 is other than pregnant woman, organ and OKU is 7,050, which 1 is 1,000, which is total woman pregnant woman, organ and OKU is 1,154. For the train accuracy, we got the 86%, and for the classification report, we got the precision, which is 0.86, and we got 1, and F1 score is 0.92. So for the test accuracy, we got this 86%. Next is for coefficient. For the coefficient, for the true positive, we got 1,399. For the false positive, we got 4, and false negative, we got 232, and true negative, we got 4. This means we get the true positive is the highest with 1,300. Okay, this is our product data, product graph. Well, first is our cluster by PCA component. As we can see, it is a scatter diagram for the PCA component. This component 1 and component 2. Next, this is our k-means with PCA clustering. Is decreasing for every cluster. Let's explain variance by component. For every component, we use we plot the variance for by component. I think that's all. Thank you.